So guys, today we are going to be working on this here Union Pacific engine. So apparently the other day I was running it on the layout and it all of a sudden just slowed down and stopped for no apparent reason. So I went ahead and grabbed it and put it on a nice clean section of track. Tried to give it some more power and it just I don't know, it just kind of like made a vibrating noise, and it kind of, like wanted to move. It just moved barely a little bit and then stopped again. Same thing with reverse. So I went ahead and popped the shell off of it. Got inside here and took the trucks out like so. Made sure that there wasn't any kind of foreign material in there. And as you can see, you got the little worm drive here and it spins just fine. So I went ahead and cleaned the contacts, like right here on the chassis. Same thing, cleaned up some of the wheels on it. Put it back together and basically still having the same issue. So I went ahead and took the circuit board off, separated the chassis there. Still everything was just seemed to be okay, but still same issue, no power. So I went ahead and called up Bachman, spoke to one of their technicians, explained the situation, and they assured me that it was definitely the motor. So went ahead and bought a new motor. Cost $13.20. So we're gonna go ahead and get that installed. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get this removed from this here GP-7 and see what we got here. And my eyes are bad, they're just not made for this no more. Doing this on a white piece of paper, because I just don't want to lose any of these parts. You don't never know when something's going to fall out. At least this way, if it does, it'll fall on paper and I'll have it. Just like that one just did. And there's the other one. Okay, let's see what we got here. Looks like it wants to go apart this way. Let's see, okay. So that thing has got the wire running right through it. Alright, I wasn't quite expecting that. And they got this thing twisted. Guess you could do it that way, I suppose. Oh, dagnamit, I wasn't expecting that. Push it down, there we go. Get our little worm drives out. Oh boy. So some of these parts you gotta watch out for, guys, is like right here. This little thing that holds the motor in there. And I know that there's a piece of plastic or something in here to makes it to where it doesn't allow the motor to touch the other part of the chassis. There we go. Okay. There it is. Alright, so now we just got to get the motor separated from these wires and we'll be in business. Just be a moment. Okay. Go ahead and get this wire removed. There's that one. Yeah, I'm just doing this slow, guys. I'm not in no rush or hurry to get any of this done here. last thing we want to do is mess it all up. Gosh darn. It's a chore just to get this bag open and get this motor out. There we go. There's the new motor. Here's gosh almighty. I can't see anything. There we go. Just gonna take a minute to get this figured out. Alright, well, we'll give this a go. Let's see. It's definitely on there. Okay. I just need to get this one off. Okay. Just be a moment, we'll get it back on. Okay, let's throw some solder on this one. There's just no easy way to do this. Damn it. Okay, I think we got it. Now it's just about putting it back together now. Hopefully I remember how to do that. Okay. Oh yeah, this is definitely wrong. Because the numbers should be pointing out the side. Alright, be a moment. Alright guys, so went ahead and got it back together here. Just gotta go ahead and stick the trucks back on there. Oh hell. Well, that's a big rookie mistake. I forgot to put the worm drives in there. So, well, back to taking it apart. Okay. So we went ahead and fixed that problem. So as you can see, the worm gears are back in there now. So we'll just go ahead and get the trucks put back on it. Get in there. There we go. There's one. Get the other one put in. It's just a lot easier just to use something to push on. There we go. Alright, so we'll go give it a test and see what it does. One moment. Alright guys, so I got it on the track, and as you can see, he's running around there. So there you go guys. Finally got that issue resolved, and she's back up and running. Now I just got to put the shell back on and we're good to go. Alright, and remember, it's not a mountain if you don't climb it.
Overhauled.